Aw, man, I don't know how to do Postulate 13. This looks like a job for Geometry Woman! Geometry Woman! Geometry Woman! Geometry Woman!
6.5 hours later.
What seems to be the problem, citizen I have no affiliation with?
I just can't understand Postulate 13.
Well, I'll give you the definition.
Because Jonathan does not understand the definition of Postulate 13, here is a short definition of what the postulate is all about. Postulate 13, aka side-side-side postulate, states that if three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. As you can tell from my drawing, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent by the side-side-side postulate.
Do you understand now?
I don't understand at all.
Well, I'll give you an example.
Thank you.
Let's say that I want to get a design on my cape with two triangles. So in this case, we have two triangles, and to make sure that both the triangles are congruent to each other, the seamstress must go and measure each side of both triangles and make sure that all three sides of the triangle to the right are congruent to all three sides of the triangle to the left. If the triangles weren't congruent after she cut them, then she'd have to remeasure and start over because nobody wants a sloppy cape.
And that's how you use this postulate.
I still don't understand.
Well, let's take you to a professional.
Does somebody call a professional? What do you guys see when you see these two congruent triangles? Well, I think of 1983 Pyromania from Def Leppard. Now, on a serious note, let's go back in time to the 1700s. When a great stylist created the bow tie. Look at this here. Two congruent triangles. This stylish attire did not become a fad until the 1886 when it became custom to wear with black tuxedos. Besides my stylish attire, I'm also known for working at Tamco Building Products. At Tamco, we make a tire for houses. And what that is would be the shingle. Now, we commonly use pitches on the roofs in order to identify different types of shingles. In this particular case, we can look at the pitch of a roof and what they refer to as a 4-1 pitch. That means that for every 4 foot that the roof has a rise, it also has a run of 1 foot, and that gives us our angle. For this here, we would use our commonly made laminate shingles. Now, for that, each side of the roof would have the same pitch, which would be our postulate theory. Now, we do make architectural shingles at Tamco as well. Those are some of our higher end shingles. On that particular roof, you'd want to see a steeper pitch roof. Again, using the same theory, but we would have something more like a 10-foot rise over a 1-foot run. And that would be equal on both sides. Our architectural shingles are then shown off more to the person that is standing to the outside of the house. And that makes their neighbors and the homeowners very happy. And that's how you use Postulate 13.
Postulate 13? I meant postulate 30.
Oh, John.